Got unit well packaged. Got it for my son for the bathroom upstairs. Rest of the house is heated great. Bathroom is not. This is a freaking charm. This. And oh my gosh, I wish I had a heat meter on this. I don't know why people are complaining about the noise. Because that's just crazy. It's not. Might be louder on this recording, but it's barely noticeable. So, the thing is great. It's heating up fast, and it's doing exactly what we hoped. I'd buy it. No, I'm going to order a freaking another one.
Okay, so here's the heater. And it has a couple different settings. My favorite is the eco-friendly one. And then you can turn it down and up. My most favorite thing that this heater has is this. The safety feature. So if it was to get, say, knocked over, then the heater turns off. So if it's straight up, the heater stays on. And it seriously heats up my whole entire living room. I love this thing. Pretty cool.
It's on. It turns on when it's off. Yeah, I got it in my restroom. I like the phone can see this little thing, so when it turns on safety. Heats the bathroom decently. Nice little heater.
Nice and warm.